How to remove hiss and hum in AudioDirector. First of all, open AudioDirector on your computer and launch the project that contains the audio you want to clean by removing hiss and hum. Next, go to the Restore Audio section under Editing Tools. Here you will find both hum removal and hiss removal options. To remove hum, click on hum removal and you will see three options: Simple Mode, Denoise by Preset and Manual Denoise. Select any of them as per your preference. Each mode has its own set of options to modify. For example, I will go with Simple Mode. Here you can choose the frequency band as per your needs, making it easy to target a specific hum in your audio. This gives you control to adjust how much hum is removed without affecting the overall quality. Then move on to hiss removal. Here you will find Denoise by Preset and Manual Denoise. In this section too, you will see separate options that allow you to fine-tune the results. If you go with Denoise by Preset, you have the option to select a preset and click on Preview to listen to the changes before applying them. Once you are satisfied, hit Next and then Apply to finalize the effect. Now you know how to remove hiss and hum in AudioDirector. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.